Hey there, it's Farhad here. Today I am going to offer you something different which you never found online. I know you must be a student or do a 9 to 5 job and you are looking for a way to make extra money online. If you're really interested to do online jobs, then let me help you. First of all, I'm making myself clear, and that is I'm not selling anything here. I'm not telling you to buy something right now. It's not a course or a PDF or a software or anything else. So what is it? I'm going to show you a very popular way to do online business, which is 100% legal and anyone can do it. The business module is dropshipping business. If you want to do this, you can start from right now. You don't need to stock products. Just select a perfect wholesaler and sell products in your store. You can sell a $5 product for $20 or above in your store. You can make unlimited profits, and I'm going to show you everything for free. Yes, you heard that right. Just click the button below if you're really interested. Then I will get in touch with you and I will give you a complete free lesson. I'm going to teach you how to create a store, how to select right niche, how to choose the right products, and how to sell those products from your store. Total webinar is around 1 hour and it's absolutely for free. I don't want that you lose your money on purchasing some other online hypes. So sign up now by clicking the action button below and I will see you inside.